Without sugar, you can bring out deeper umami and sweetness in cooking than sugar itself? Does that even make sense? Hello, I'm Data Chef Tigo. Based on FDA data, I'm here to show you scientifically proven ways to protect and maintain your health. Today, based on strict chemical data, discover the science behind making onions 50 times sweeter. No tricks, just pure science. This is the science of caramelization. Raw onions are pungent because of a sulfur compound called Isoalliin. But when heat hits the pan, this compound breaks down and evaporates into the air. The chemical matrix shifts, and the blinding sharpness completely disappears. Thinly sliced onions, cooked slowly over medium-low heat for 30 to 50 minutes, become perfectly caramelized onions. You can use them in curry, pasta, soups, or even meat dishes. And for an extra layer of flavor, add a splash of balsamic vinegar or even a touch of beer. Here is the scientific fact. As cooking continues at high temperatures, the onion's complex carbohydrates undergo pyrolysis, breaking down into simple sugars. These sugars then synthesize into Propyl Mercaptan, a compound with a sweetening power 50 times greater than regular sucrose. This isn't burning. It's a non-enzymatic browning reaction. It takes time and patience, but this golden paste adds an unparalleled deep umami and sweetness to curries and soups. Science never lies in the kitchen.
Data Chef Tigo highly recommends this.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. See you next time with more healthy data. Stay healthy.